How to portray coolness and strength while using a soft light. This lighting is used to portray the coolness and strength within while bringing out the softness of a woman. This time, firstly, we will create a soft light by using a large softbox and bringing out the soft, gentle mood of a woman. The softbox we are using is the Kimira 180 cm. We will place the softbox as close to the subject as possible. We can photograph a very beautiful and gentle image. We can make the background darker by moving the subject away from the background and placing the flash closer to the subject. We'll try adding white reflection board to make the shadowed areas brighter. The contrast decreases and it looks flat. However, this may work well for an older woman. This time, we'll try using a black reflection board. Within the gentleness, there's a sense of coolness. It's very feminine. Next, to show the woman's strength, we will place a flash behind the subject and facing the camera. Rather than directly behind, make it so the light will look to be coming from over the shoulder and it will further backlight her hair and create a sparkling effect. Keep taking photos until the light looks right. It looks so nice. The main points for today are that the main light should be soft. By adding a black reflection board, you can increase contrast, which will show a sense of strength and coolness. And by adding backlighting behind the woman, we can portray both her strength and beauty.